Hi everyone, here we've got CUBOT X18 and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, we have to enter the phone dialer. Let's tap on it. Let's go to your contact list and find the contact you would like to edit and obviously tap on it. Now we have to tap on this edit icon right in the middle and choose the camera icon. And here we can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you. Or we can simply choose a photo from the gallery. So I will pick to choose a photo. Here we have to decide where we want to complete the action. We can do it using our own gallery or Google Photos. So let me pick the gallery, for example. Obviously, give all the permissions, and right now we have to simply find the photo we would like to add and tap on it. And here again we have to complete the action, but right now we will crop the photo. So you can crop the picture using the gallery again or Google Photos, and this time I will pick Photos. And as you can see from this tab, we can adjust the size of the square and the position of the photo. And thanks to this, we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this area is responsible for it. So just position it like you want to. You can also rotate the picture here, so it's up to you. And if you're happy with the results, just tap on Done. As you can see, it immediately appears on the contact, so remember to tap on this tick icon in the right upper corner. And here we've got it on our contact, and we will be able also to see it on the contact list, and you will be able also to see it whilst all incoming calls from that number. So actually that's all. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your CUBOT X18. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.